Hey there, today I'm going to teach you how to create a personalized message using Katie. After you went over the ICP pitch, you're going to arrive to the touchpoints. You're going to click on Add New, and you're going to select an email step or a LinkedIn step. So for today, let's do the email step, and let's choose the personalized. As you can see on the right side, Katie will start writing the message. So now, how will you change the message itself? You can click on these little two bars, and this will help you change the tone of the message. So if you want to make it very personalized, you're going to increase that. If you want to make the message a bit longer, you can increase as well this. If you want to make it more friendly or more urgent, you can just play with the different parameters. Another thing that you can do is add a call to action. For example, let's talk. And then you can put here your calendar link. I paste it here. Once I click, I put my calendar, I put refine. And now Katie will start writing again the message with the let's talk that I ask and change the tone of the message. If you want to give her specific directions, you will use the prompt to do that. So here you can tell her to always finish with thank you for reading the message. Just as an example, if you go to the preview, she will start rewriting the message again. And as you can see, thank you for reading the message. Or, for example, you can give her another indication. Mention that we are the best in the world. Let's go to the preview. She's gonna rewrite the message. As you can see, she wrote here, the best in the world at automating sales and revenue operations. So this is a way of how to give specific indications on how to write the message to Katie. So don't forget always to go over the prompt and over these little two arrows. And that's it. After you finish giving the specific indications, you can create another step that it will be, for example, LinkedIn or another email personalized message. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.